Hello, thank you for watching this video. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your iPhone. Please be aware that this will void your warranty. We're not responsible for any damage on your phone. Welcome to Team Blanco iPhone Repair. We'll begin by removing the two screws on the bottom of your iPhone. Next, slide the back cover of your iPhone up. Remove the back cover from your iPhone. You will see a screw holding the battery down. Please remove that screw where the circle is. Lift the battery flex cable from your motherboard on your iPhone. Lift your battery from the plastic on the side gently. Begin putting the new battery that you are going to be using on your iPhone. Grab that screwdriver that you took away from the battery and put it back. Grab the back cover and gently put it back on your iPhone. Next, put the two screws that were on the bottom of your iPhone. And this is it, folks. Thank you. Share this video, and hopefully we can save you money by this tutorial video.